chew the fat, chew the fat. It also can be said as chew the rag, chew the rag. It's an idiom. The meaning is have an informal chat with someone or complain or argue about something. In other words, a long and informal conversation with someone or to gossip with friends at leisure. That is called chew the fat. Let us see it in the examples. The first one, how nice to see you here. Have a seat and let's chew the fat for a while. I met you after a long time. Let us sit and chat for some time. Let's talk for some time. Let us gossip for some time. That's the reason let's chew the fat for some time. Second one, nothing much happened. We chewed the fat for half an hour and left. Nothing happened. We talked for half an hour. We gossiped for half an hour. That's the reason we chewed the fat for half an hour. Third one, the students chewed the fat for some time and decided not to lodge a complaint against the principal. So the students discussed for some time. That's the reason student chewed the fat for some time, had conversation for some time and decided not to complain. Fourth one, I was able to convince grandma to go with us after chewing the fat for about an half an hour with her. So it took me half an hour time to talk to my grandma to convince her. That's the reason chewing the fat for about an half an hour. Fifth one, the whole purpose of having this event is reunion, so that the school friends can come together and chew the fat, can chat, can talk. So this is the purpose of this reunion. So all the students come together and have conversation, have gossip, can talk to each other. That's the reason we organized this reunion. That's the reason we say come together and chew the fat. So when we look at the origin of this idiom, chew the fat, in the olden days, when the food supply began to run low on the ships, sailors were given salted pork and beef to chew on. It was very difficult to chew the tough meat. The sailors often grumbled or complained about the quality of food. So from this sailing experience, the idiom chew the fat has come into existence. It means to have an informal chat with someone or to complain or argue about something.